Welcome to our video on how to choose the right insurance plan for you. With so many options available in the market, selecting the right insurance plan can be overwhelming. In this video, we will guide you through the process of choosing the right insurance plan to suit your needs. Section 1. Types of insurance plans. There are various types of insurance plans available in the market, and it's important to understand each one before making a decision. The most common types of insurance plans include health insurance, life insurance, auto insurance, home insurance, and disability insurance. Each of these plans has different coverage options and premiums, and you need to choose the one that is most suitable for your needs. Section 2. Factors to consider when choosing an insurance plan. When choosing an insurance plan, there are several factors that you need to consider. These include premiums, the amount of money you pay for the insurance plan. Deductibles, the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage begins. Co-payments, the amount you pay for each visit to a healthcare provider. Coverage, the extent of the protection provided by the insurance plan. Network, the list of healthcare providers and hospitals that are covered by the insurance plan. Exclusions, the items or services that are not covered by the insurance plan. Renewability, the ability to renew the insurance plan after a specific period. Customer service, the quality of customer service provided by the insurance company. Section 3. Researching insurance providers. Before choosing an insurance plan, it's important to research the insurance provider. You can do this by checking the insurance provider's ratings on independent rating agencies like AM Best, Moody's, and Standard & Poor's. Reading reviews of the insurance provider online. Asking for recommendations from friends, family, or colleagues. Checking the insurance provider's financial stability. Section 4. How to choose the right insurance plan. Now that you have researched the insurance providers and understood the factors to consider when choosing an insurance plan, it's time to select the right insurance plan for you. Here are the steps to follow. Identify your insurance needs based on your lifestyle, health, and budget. Compare insurance plans from different providers and choose the one that offers the best coverage and value for money. Review the insurance plan in detail, including the coverage, premiums, deductibles, and exclusions. Seek clarification on any questions you have before signing up for the insurance plan. Keep a copy of the insurance plan, including the terms and conditions, for future reference. Congratulations! You have now learned how to choose the right insurance plan for you. Remember to take your time when choosing an insurance plan, as it can have a significant impact on your financial security and peace of mind. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Outro.